Steps that professionals take for steam cleaning of couches. Have your couches turned too shabby? What you need is some rigorous cleaning that will turn the couches back to their real lean self. For that, the best thing to do is steam cleaning conducted by professionals. The best name to turn for couch steam cleaning in Melbourne is Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. The steps that the professionals take to clean couches include cleaning the cushions at first, cleaning the rest of the couch, leaving the couch to dry, using alcohol on remnants of stains, removing the most stubborn stains with vinegar. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.